Okay, just want to do a quick video on taking off the rear wheel of a Lectric XP4. The directions you see online are all for the XP3. So really, the only thing you have to do is you cut the tag, the tie strips that hold the controller for the motor. And there's three of them, or two of them. Three. 1, 2, and 3. Then you loosen up the nut on the back, and that's a 17 millimeter. Then, if you notice, it's got this, and this is the same on both sides. That's a 4 millimeter. Those are pretty tight. So you have to take those right off, and you have to also take off the nut, all right? And note which way the teeth are going. The teeth are going on towards the outside. So it's going to take two hands to do this, but yeah, maybe not. All right. There. Yeah, this rear tire was semi-flat when I got the bike, and then a week later it was completely flat. All right, so take it off. Take a picture if you don't remember, so you don't forget. And so I did that on this side, and the other side, you got to take this little bracket off. Again, just take a picture. So then you just lift the tire off. But for this, I am going to have two hands. So good luck with it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, once you get the tire off, before you put a new one in, you want to feel the inside. Make sure there's nothing sharp, both on the tire and along the rim itself. In this case, it's quite obvious why it went flat. The valve is broken. And put a little air into the inner tube first. That'll help you get it in there. Okay, again, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, one more thing. There's always one more thing, isn't there? Be careful. There's these little, I don't know what you'd call them, and they can slide off, and you might lose one if you don't know it's there. The other thing is, when you're putting the tire on, make sure that it goes on right, so that these are pointing towards the back, just like the front tire. Right? There you go. So you don't want to put it on backwards. Don't ask me why, but you don't want to put it on backwards. Anyhow, there you go. Hope it helps you.